So if you are a business owner who is using form submission to capture the leads and you want the submission details to be captured into your spreadsheet program, then this video is for you all. Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can send paper form submission details to your Google Sheets automatically. So the idea here is that you have created a form using paper form. The form can be a contact form, a sign up form, a registration form or any kind of form. So you have created a form and you have embedded on a website or you have shared that particular form with your customers to get the form filled. Now you want that whenever any of the customer fills that particular form, automatically the details of the customer should be added as a new record into your spreadsheet program, that is Google Sheets. For this, we need to create a connection between Paperform and Google Sheets so that whenever the form is filled and the submission is received, automatically the details are added as a new record to your Google Sheets. For this, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. To start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as send paper form submissions data to Google Sheets. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever we receive any submission on our paper form, it means whenever a customer fills the paper form, automatically the details should get captured into the Google Sheets. So open this trigger window. Here in the choose application, let us find paper form. In the trigger event, we have to select new form submission. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So let us read the instructions. Just log into your Paperform account, edit the form, after submission option, webhook and paste the above URL there. So let's copy this webhook URL from here. We'll go to the Paperform. Here this is my Paperform account. I have already created some forms over here, that is contact form and registration form. So we are using registration form in this particular integration. Let's click on edit. So here I have taken the basic fields of the customer, that is the first name, last name, email address and the phone number. So if you want to add some more questions, you can click on this add question button and you can add the questions as per your requirement. Now we want to create an integration between this particular form and Pabbly Connect so that whenever this form is filled by the customer, automatically the details are captured in Pabbly Connect. So in order to create a connection, come to this after submission option and simply click on create integration and webhooks. And when we scroll down, here we can find the webhooks option. Click on webhooks. Now here we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect and click on add webhook. So the webhook is added over here. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So I'll just take you to my registration form once again. And here we are going to open the form in a new tab by clicking on this I button, that is view button. And let us give the details of the customer, name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com. And let's add the phone number. and click on Submit. Submission successful. Thanks, we have received your submission. So the form has been filled. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the form submission are captured over here. Here we can find the first name, last name, email address as well as the phone number. So now we want that using these details, automatically a new record should get generated into our Google Sheet, or these details should get added to our Google Sheets. For that, come to this action window and here in the choose application, let us find Google Sheets. In the action event, we have to select add new row, click on connect, click on add new connection and click on connect with Google Sheets. Now as I am already logged into my Google account, it is asking me to choose an account. So I am just choosing my account where I have already created my Google Sheets. Pabbly Connect Sheets wants additional access to your Google account. So let's click on continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. And now the Google Sheets are connected to Pabbly Connect. So as we have created a connection, here we can find all the spreadsheets that we have created in our Google Sheet account. So here I have already created a Google Sheet. I'll take you to my Google Sheet named Paperform Submission. The sheet name is Sheet 1 where I have taken the fields for the first name, last name, email address and the phone number. So now I want all the details of the customer or the form submission to be entered in this particular Google Sheet. So we have to select the same spreadsheet name and the sheet name over here in Pabbly Connect. So let us select the spreadsheet name. The spreadsheet name is Paperform Submission. And the sheet name, it is automatically captured just because I have created a single sheet in this particular spreadsheet. Now here we have to map the first name, last name, email address and the phone number. So we have already got all these details through the Paperform Submission. So we will be mapping all those details now. Okay, let us map them one by one. First name from Paperform, first name was Adam, last name that was Smith. Okay, I have entered double S, Smith. Here we have to map the email address again from Paperform, and at last we have to map the phone number. So this is the phone number value. So we have mapped all the details. Now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new data is added to our Google Sheet. Let's check it. Okay, and here we can see first name as Adam, last name as Smith, his email address along with that the phone number. So in this way we can see that a new record is created over here or the customer data is added to our Google Sheet. And in this way we have created a successful integration. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just go to my Paperform account once again and I'll just open the new form over here so that we can fill up the details on the name of some other customer. And this time let us give the customer name as Smita, last name as Arya, email address as Smita Arya 22@gmail.com, and let's add the phone number and click on submit. Submission successful. Thanks, we have received your submission. So the form has been filled. Now we have to check our Google Sheet. And here we can see the first name as Smita, last name as Arya, her email address along with that her phone number. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Paperform and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission, and using those details automatically the details or the data is added to our Google Sheet or a new record is created in our Google Sheet. And in this way we have created a successful integration between Paperform and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.